Vlogmas day 9. It is currently like 1:40. I've been home for the past hour or so, but I'm sitting here trying to figure out what videos to film and like organizing videos, and I'm uploading today's vlog, which was yesterday's, that you guys will see in a couple of minutes once it uploads. But I've been sitting here for the past hour or so just organizing videos, like what videos I'm gonna film for like January and like my December for like my main channel, so you guys can kind of go listen to what videos are gonna be uploaded for my main channel videos. But I was just going through and trying to figure out what videos I'm gonna film, if I want to do like a series, and like what videos I'm gonna upload, and like what videos I need to film that's going to be uploaded in a couple of days. And so I didn't vlog this morning because I was importing stuff and I was kind of running late this morning since I slept downstairs. I woke up at like my right time, just I was up here kind of doing my makeup, so I just kind of like did eyeliner and then I did some like fake freckles, and that was it. But yeah, I'm just sitting at my desk kind of working on YouTube stuff. Remember how I said last night that I had homework that was due like today? I did it in my car. Also, I almost ran out of gas on the way home because I had like 80 miles and the college is probably about like 15 miles. But I was like, well, my dad's not here, my mom doesn't have anything, so hopefully I can make it to school. And the engine light, like the gas thing, didn't pop up until I got halfway there, and I was like, oh crap, I'm literally be there like in 2 minutes. I was literally going to be there in 2 minutes, and I made it. So I was like, yay, good, let me like get into class. And then I went to class, and then I walked out, it was pouring down rain. And then the gas thing was so long, I was like, oh my god, I'm literally probably like 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes from my house. And I'm like, if I literally don't make it, my dad's not here, my dad's in Washington, like Seattle, Washington. And my mom's like at home, and I'm like, if I literally run out of gas, I'm by myself, so I was really scared that I was gonna run out of gas by myself. Because if I was with my brother, like tomorrow I will, it would have made me feel a little bit more like safe, so I'm not like alone. But then I got him at home, I don't have a gas in my car, so I can go anywhere. So hopefully tomorrow I probably have to take my dad's Ford, which I don't really like the car because the steering wheel is really stiff and it's hard to turn. And then my mom is going out tomorrow, so I'm gonna be getting bleached tomorrow, which I shouldn't be excited to get bleached because it's really damaging for your hair. But I'm excited to get it so I can actually do my hair and stuff. Like, it's fine right now. It's not like it's weird right now. I like my hair right now, but I kind of want to go blonde, and I'm really impatient and stuff. But yeah, I'm just sitting at my desk, just chilling. I'll probably vlog a little bit later because it's raining right now. I was gonna film, but I don't really know what to film. That's my thing. I should have filmed this morning with my drive with me because I was gonna do like a drive with me for like Christmas music and stuff. Ended up not doing that. So yeah, I'll probably update you guys a little later, but yeah. Okay guys, so it is currently 4:17 and I just got home. We went out to Target. My mom went out and I got some Reese's Pieces. I haven't eaten it yet, and I'm just chilling. This video is still uploading because I left it like, cause I was like, oh, I'm gonna wait until I get home, I'll put it done. Nope, it's not done. And we're out for about like an hour, almost 2 hours, and it still has not uploaded, and I am so exhausted. So I'm literally about to let this upload, hop into bed, and just watch some YouTube videos and eat my Reese's Pieces because I'm so tired. I don't know why. And it's 4 o'clock and I'm so tired. I was about to fall asleep on the way home. I'm so tired. So today's vlog may be a little bit boring. I'm really hoping I don't fall asleep because I fall asleep. It was just really bad. And stuff. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to update you guys. Because I was going to vlog at Target when there was a lot of people that I knew, and I was like, nope. But it's also raining, because I feel like when it's raining, I'm like, it's like a sad day. Not like a sad day, but when there's like days that you don't want to do nothing, you just want to lay in bed. That's pretty much what I want to do. But yeah, I'm about to hop into bed and some more Reese's Pieces. I'll let this video upload, and then I'll probably talk to you guys later because I think another football team plays tonight. That means we're probably going to watch. And then tomorrow morning, well, in the morning when I got out of class, so we're going to be going to class. Probably have to get my dad's car because I don't have gas. And then I'm going to be going out with my mom, and that's when I'm going to get my hair dye and stuff. I'm really excited. But yeah. So it is currently like 7:30 or something like that. Like I said, I was going to lay in bed for a couple hours, and I fell asleep for 2 hours. So I literally just woke up probably like 20 minutes ago. I'm still in my clothes that I wore today. I literally fell asleep. This is why I hate rainy days, because rainy days make me so sleepy. Like honestly, every single time it rains, I'm usually in bed asleep because I don't want to get up. And it's still pouring, so I'm really hoping in the morning it stops, or like later on today. It's been raining all day. And I'm so tired, but I'm about to go downstairs because I'm about to watch the hockey game and then probably find some food. Because I don't think Mom did dinner since Dad's not here. Like, we're all of the age that we can make our own food and stuff. So I don't think she'll make dinner, but I'm probably gonna make something because we also have Wilson. So I think Mom probably already made food for him, but I'm not 100% sure. But I literally just woke up and I'm so tired. I literally woke up and I woke up like twice. I woke up at 6 and I looked at my phone and I was like, what time is it? And I was like 6 and I'm like, I didn't fall asleep until like 5 something, so I didn't sleep that much. And then I woke, and then I fell back to sleep, woke up at 7. And I was just like, oh my freaking god, look, I need to get up, because I'm not really that tired. But just rainy days made me so, like, exhausted, even though I, like, got a good night's sleep last night, like, went to school, went out with my mom, and it was completely fine. I wasn't really that tired. But once I got into bed, I was, like, out sitting here with Vincent for a couple of minutes, saying watch him for a couple of minutes, because she had to, like, do laundry and stuff. Which is understandable. I had him for, like, less than 5 minutes. And then I got some, like, chips that's over there that I was eating, and I also have chocolate chip cookies that I was gonna eat, but now I'm kind of like, I don't really want to eat them. And also my laptop is over there. I thought my laptop was over here or downstairs, but I'm about to head over there. Today's vlog might be a little bit boring, but I apologize for that. But yeah, so it is currently almost 10 o'clock at night. Yes, I have my little nephew as my background, but I was just downstairs watching some hockey. It was the Capitals versus the Blue Jackets, and the Capitals lost. My sister and my dad's a Capitals fan, so I was watching that. Now I'm just sitting, and my dad said she's removed my makeup and put on my moisturizer, and I'm about to hop into bed because it's 10 o'clock. And I'm exhausted. Even though I did take a nap for like an hour or so, but I'm still so tired. So I need to plug in this. I need to do all this. Trash. Turn off my light, even though I need to go downstairs and grab my computer that I forgot that was downstairs, because I ran downstairs to grab this, and then I need to grab my box, my iPhone charger. Oh, my laptop's right there. Wow, I'm a little slow. But I'm about to hop into bed. I might watch Netflix, but it's like 10. I have to be up at 6:30, so I might just be on my phone, what I usually do. Instead I have PJs on. I'm just wearing like an old soccer jersey and stuff. Usually, like, I will literally usually have like outfits picked out at the beginning of the school year, but I haven't. But honestly, in the morning I literally just wake up and I'm like, what am I gonna wear? And I'm usually like, I don't know. Because at first, like the first year of my semester, like the first couple of days, I was like trying to dress up, but it was still like really cold. But then once it hit like spring at the end of the semester last year, I like dressed up a little bit more, and I haven't this year. I don't think so. I think I wore like a skirt like one time because it was actually like kind of warm because it was in September and stuff. But now since it's starting to get cold, I just want to wear leggings and sweatpants to school, which is completely fine because I remember like in high school I was like scared to wear sweatpants just because I was self-conscious, and I was like, no, sweatpants are gonna look really baggy on me, I'm gonna have no butt in them. But now, honestly, I don't really care. Sometimes I kind of care what I look like, but for class, I don't even care because I'm just getting up, going to class, getting my super education, getting my college degree, and coming back home and stuff. But yeah, I'm about to head to bed. I have my bed here. Usually Bubba's in my bed, but it is not in here, so he'll probably be knocking at the door in like a couple of minutes once I turn off my light and stuff. But I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. I can't believe there's literally like 16 more days of class. Like literally Friday is literally I think Friday is like the 12th or something. I think today is the 9th. And Christmas is literally coming around the corner. Like I remember last year doing VLOGMAS, it came by so slow, and now it's coming by so fast. I'm like, Christmas is in less than like 2 weeks at least. And stuff. I think it's been a week of doing VLOGMAS. Cause Monday would have been a week. Wouldn't today be like a week of doing VLOGMAS? I think. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning.